you know, no doubt change can be tough, and no doubt when it's the main thoroughfare through your town, it's not easy to make those changes, but we got to do it.
The countdown to construction for the I-10 widening project in Baton Rouge has started. The Louisiana Department of Transportation and Development hosted an open house Tuesday, March 7th, to provide information and answer remaining questions.
There's really no alternative. We've been talking about it for years. I mean, part of our business meetings, this is the business community that's talking about these things. They know it's going to be painful for a while, but they know we ultimately have to do it.
DOTD has held 100 events between the public and stakeholders about this project, which a lot of people have been waiting for years.
This is something that's been needed for decades. Ever since I came here to go to LSU from Covington 20 years ago, they've been talking about widening the interstate, and now that it's finally happening, I think it's certainly a positive.
Baton Rouge residents expressed concerns about the project in the past, but most are willing to accept the temporary traffic congestion if it will help the overall long-term traffic problem in Baton Rouge.
We've been looking at long duration stuff that it takes to get done that get us off of the worst list for traffic in America. For a mid-sized city to be the 4th worst traffic congestion in America compared to New York, Chicago, Los Angeles, that's ridiculous that Baton Rouge would be the 4th worst in America for congestion.
Alleviating congestion is the purpose of the project.
The great thing is that if you look at the traffic data, that this is really an impactful project. It's really going to change lives when we get on the back end of this, and it's going to be great for our city, great for our economy, and we'll be excited when the orange barrels are gone.
The project team was on hand the entire 3 hours to talk to businesses and local citizens like Charita Perilou.
I'm just a citizen and was interested in finding out more information. I think as daunting as it may seem initially, in an already, like I said, congested thoroughfare that many of us have to travel every day, I think ultimately in the grand scheme, it'll benefit us in the long run.